The shocking murder of a Congress worker in Haryana has rocked the political corridors ahead of the civic polls in Haryana. Himani Narwal was murdered and her body was dumped in a public area, sparking some intense reactions across party lines. While the family members have demanded an intervention by Bhupinder Hooda, the Congress party in fact alleged that Gunda Raj under the BJP is continuing, while the Saffron party has assured that the guilty will not be spared. We have in fact breaking updates coming in a big development. The Haryana police has arrested one accused in the murder case of the Congress worker Himani Narwal. So one person has been arrested in the case. An accused has been identified, but the identity has not been revealed yet. My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tetri, a big political showdown over the murder of the 22-year-old Congress workers. We understand one person has been arrested in the same. Any details being revealed by the police officials?
Well, yes, absolutely. You see, the police is going to hold a press conference in the afternoon today at 12 o'clock. But what we are picking up from our sources is that the accused who has been arrested, his name is Sachin. And primarily what we are learning is that he has been arrested from Delhi, but the confirmation will only come when the police will be holding a press conference. And in fact, we'll also have to see that whether there was only one accused in this entire case. Was he politically connected with Himani? This is the big question. Or in fact there was some kind of other known relation with Himani of this particular accused, because family has been alleging since yesterday that this is not some outsider who has murdered her, because the kind of circumstances, evidences and the situation that we picked up from her residence yesterday, they all were indicating that it is someone who knew her very closely. So now we'll have to see that who is this individual Sachin who has been arrested, and in fact more details will be revealed when the police will be holding a press conference. And we'll also have to see that what family says, because you know family since yesterday has been saying that they will not cremate the body till the time accused is arrested, no matter what, say it be 2 or 3 or 4, till the time police gives them a clarity. They are not going to take the body of Himani Narwal, and still the body of Himani is in the mortuary. The family has not accepted the body yet. So now everything will be clear once the police holds a press conference, tells that who is this Sachin, the individual who has been arrested, and what was his motive behind the murder.
Okay, all right. Teshi, stay with us. In fact, Times Now travelled to the Sampla bus stand and spoke to some of the eyewitnesses who informed the police officials about this discarded suitcase inside which the body of the Congress worker was found. In fact, the eyewitness detailed how the remains were recovered by the police officials. Take a look.
The body of a women Congress worker, Himani Narwal, was found near the Sampla bus stand flyover. Currently, we are reporting from the same spot where the body was found. We'll show you the visuals, and in fact, what we are also getting to know is that the body was found in a suitcase. Police suspect that she was strangled before the body was placed in the suitcase, and then it was discovered by some passerby who informed the police. Also, what we are getting to know is that the woman's hand had mehendi designs on them, and it indicated that she had been a part of some celebration recently. And also, police in fact have stated that she was missing since past 3 days. The postmortem of Himani Narwal's body is underway in Haryana's hospital. Now the family is demanding for justice. We'll have to see that what happens next amidst this entire murder that took place in the state of Haryana. On one hand, where Congress party is calling it, in fact, that the law and order is completely collapsed in the state. On the other hand, BJP is blaming Congress party for not paying attention on the plight of the condition of women in the Congress party.
Now, in a massive twist to the tale, the family of the victim have made a startling accusation. The deceased victim's mother has made a stunning allegation. Himani's mother drew a political link to the murder, as she said that her daughter had made enemies due to her role in the elections and within her party. Shockingly, she also claims that the perpetrators could be from the Congress party itself. She also said that the family will not perform the last rites till the guilty are punished. The victim's brother also said that the party leadership has not yet reached out to the family.
यही इलेक्शन और पार्टी मेरी बेटी की जान लेगी, क्योंकि उसकी दुश्मनी उसी के कारण बनी है। पार्टी सिर्फ मेरी बेटी का ये था कि पार्टी के कारण उसकी मतलब अब रंजिश हो रही थी, क्योंकि ये चाहते थे भी ये इतनी छोटी उम्र में हमारे से आगे कैसे बढ़ गई। मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट अपील करती हूँ, मैं हुड्डा साहब से, आशा हुड्डा से, उनके बहुत नजदीक थी मेरी बेटी, कि मेरी बेटी को मतलब न्याय नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं अपनी बेटी का संस्कार नहीं करूंगी। कांग्रेस से मेरे को किसी ने संपर्क नहीं किया, ना मेरे को मतलब अब ये मैडम अब मिली है मेरे से, उससे पहले मेरे से सिर्फ सुनीता मोहन आई थी मेरे पास।
ये कांग्रेस पार्टी में वो हो सकता है, कोई हो सकता है तो, या कोई चिढ़ता बिड़ता के इतनी जल्दी इतनी ऊंचाई पे कैसे पहुंची। आशा हुड्डा के पास फोन किया, फोन भी नहीं उठाया गया है।
So this is what the family members are saying. In fact, Times Now has also accessed the last message that the victim had sent to her mother on the 1st of March at 9:56 a.m. in which she told her mother that she is outside and that she will reach out in a bit. The family has now alleged that the language is not the kind of language that is used by Himani, and she usually always called the family members and didn't really text often.
वो कहीं भी जाती थी, वो एक बात मेरे को बताती थी, किसी प्रोग्राम में जाने से रिलेटिव लेके किसी के साथ अगर लड़ाई भी हुई है, क्या सुनी हुई है,
फोन भी बंद रखने वाली होती थी तब भी बताती थी।
वो फोन बंद, मैं फोन बंद कर रही हूँ, कॉल मत करना, कभी टेंशन कर लो, मतलब वो मेरे को हर चीज बता के जब करती थी। मेरे को मतलब जब मैंने इंतजार करके दिन में शाम को उसका फोन नहीं आया, तो मैंने रात को 28 तारीख को कॉल किया है, तो फोन बंद आया। तो मैंने ये सोच लिया भाई पार्टी में थक गई होगी, इसलिए कॉल बंद करके, भाई इलेक्शन भी है, कोई एमसी वगैरह का कॉल आ रहा होगा, भाई इसलिए पार्टी के फोन आ रहे होंगे, बंद कर दिया होगा, बीपी लो हो गया होगा, वो मतलब सो गई होगी। इस कारण से मैंने मतलब बार बार फोन नहीं किया, मैंने वहां बंद है तो चल सो गई होगी, सो जाने दो।
So the Congress was quick to hit out at the BJP and say that it is Jungle Raj in Haryana under the BJP, but the family members revealed that none of the Congress leaders had actually even reached out to the family members. The political showdown continues and we're keeping a track of that. For now, slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back. The shocking murder of a Congress worker in Haryana has rocked the political corridors ahead of the civic polls in Haryana. Himani Narwal was murdered and her body was dumped in a public area, sparking some intense reactions across party lines. While the family members have demanded an intervention by Bhupinder Hooda, the Congress party in fact alleged that Gunda Raj under the BJP is continuing, while the Saffron party has assured that the guilty will not be spared. We have in fact breaking updates coming in a big development. The Haryana police has arrested one accused in the murder case of the Congress worker Himani Narwal. So one person has been arrested in the case. An accused has been identified, but the identity has not been revealed yet. My colleague Tej